Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some awesome free watch faces that's coming out of the Gear Manager store that I know you're gonna love. These here are pretty much like the cream of the crop of free watch faces, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, we do want to announce the winners of the Lucky 12 watch faces, and we have 2 in all, and these are US watch face codes, you all. So if your name gets called and you're not from the US, I'm gonna log your name down. Trust me, you will get a free watch face. Cool. Now my email is rawjay7@gmail.com. Make sure you email me so I can give you your free watch face codes. All right. Now the winners are number 1, Ronnie Miranda, if I pronounce that right, and number 2, Rich IOW68. Congratulations, you guys. You guys are winners of the Lucky 12 watch faces. Email me as soon as you can. All right, with that being said, let's get this review started now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome free watch faces. You gotta pass this one on to anybody you know that has a Gears 3, Gears 2, and a Gears Sport. This watch face is off the chart. Now, all 3 watch faces are free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and they are all awesome. I have to say, this has to be the baddest watch faces of the week thus far. All right, with that being said, let's kick this review off. Number 1 is by KWD. The name of this one is Madi02. Very nice looking watch face. Now you got to remember, it's spring and or summer depending on where you are right now. In my area, I'm in between. Now this watch face definitely fits the season so far as the look is concerned. In the always on mode, what you're going to get is a black and white theme. You're going to get all the information that you would get when the watch face is on. But let's take a look at this one, you all. First of all, I'm liking the theme that's going on in the background. It's nice, it's different, and it is definitely unique. I like the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Very nice, adds some character to the watch face. At the top, you get world time. And this is an interactive watch face. You come down, you get your date information along with the day. Also, you come down. Now, this is what I like. In this little bar right here, you get weather, you get setting, you get your task manager. You also get a dialer. You come down, you get a nice, bold digital time. You can see this very clearly. You come down, you get your step info from steps to calories burned to floors climbed. Get your heart rate information, timer as well, and you also get your battery percentage down at the bottom. This is definitely a good look. I'm liking this watch face, especially considering that it's free, and I'm surprised of that. Now, if I tap up here, I can get the date. If I tap on, I'm trying to tap on the world time, right? It'll bring up the world time here, Chicago, Dallas. I thought that was pretty nice. Also, you can go into your weather, your settings, your dialer, things of that nature. I thought this was definitely a good look. It is interactive. Just simply tap on it and it'll bring up the information. Also, the background theme changes every hour, and you get several different ones that changes. Very nice. You got to take a look at this watch face. I think that it is worth. Watch face number 2 is just as awesome as number 1. And again, remember, this is free in the Gear Manager store. The name of the watch face is called Roma Iron. Very nice look. Now, this will get you ready for a super casual day. Now, the video isn't going to do it justice because the index that's going around is colored green, and it's very rich in color. The video isn't showing it off as it should, but it is a very nice look. Now, in the always on mode, it looks even better. It's in a black and white theme. Not bad at all. You get your analog time. Now, when the watch face is on, I'm really liking the look. You got a green second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. You get your battery info. And I like the design of the battery info, the gauge. Very nice look, very nice touch. Also, on the right-hand side, you're going to get your step info. You come all the way down at the bottom. I like the look of this one. So I thought the creativity was definitely through the roof on this watch face, considering that it is free. And you also get your date. Now, this is not an interactive watch face, but this one also really don't need to be. The look alone, the layout, the design is definitely on point. All right, you all, make sure you download this one as well. Let's go on and check out watch face number 3. Last but not least, this one here is watch face number 3. Now, I know what you're thinking, but this one here is unique. You gotta have a different type of watch face that's gonna turn heads, that's gonna have a unique look on your wrist every now and then. And this design is very nice. What would have really took this over the top would have been if it was animated, nicely animated. Now, the name of the watch face is called town. I want to call it the town, right? In the always on mode, you're going to get a digital look. You're going to get a nice dim background of what the watch face actually looks like when it's on. And when it's on, you pretty much get a simple digital time that's stacked. You're going to get your heart rate information, your date down at the bottom, and you're also going to get your battery percentage. That's it. That's all for a free watch face. This is not a bad look. I'm going to give the developer two thumbs up on the design and ask him to make one like this that's animated. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if you liked it, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.